At the Office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools, we are proud to bring you Education Matters in partnership with Educational Employees Credit Union, Chevron, and Fresno Pacific University. Thank you for watching and supporting positive stories about education.
They call it a marble relay, a game where you use a noodle to get a marble to the end of the line. That's not easy and requires that students work together and find creative ways to get it done.
The skills that they build while moving a marble across the room are also the same skills they'll use on big group projects later on in the future.
These students make up the freshman class at Fresno County CTEC High School, a school where they will work on a lot of group projects. These kids come from all around the county and are meeting each other for the first time.
I enjoy how they make us do icebreakers, just so they could get us to know one another and really just to make new friends and meet new people.
The first day of school at the Career Technical Education Charter High School was August 6, earlier than most Fresno County schools. Administrators say the early start allows time for students to adjust because being a freshman isn't easy.
First day was stressful and I was scared a little bit, but on my second day I made a bunch of friends and I have different little friend groups.
While Orientation Week is designed to help new students feel comfortable, Director John Delano says the school's dual enrollment program is the other reason for the early start.
Reasons why we do that is because we're connected to Fresno City College, right? So all of our kids are taking college classes, and so for a freshman to take college classes and be already going is really important for us to invest into them and help them understand why they're doing what they're doing and the benefits of it.
Although the students may come from different schools, they do have one thing in common. They say they came to CTEC because it's different.
I love creating and I love looking at things in a different way.
And they have a bunch of group projects, so they don't want kids to be in one small little group. They want everyone to come together, so that's what I loved.
CTEC offers pathways in manufacturing and construction and still has a few slots open for its freshman class. For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.